Question number 14. Out of 200 students from a school, 135 like Kabaddi and the remaining students do not like the game. If one student is selected at random from all the students, find the probability that the student selected doesn't like Kabaddi. Okay. Now student, how many students are there in the school? 200. Okay. So here total number of students is equal to 200. Now how many students like Kabaddi? 135. Number of students who like Kabaddi is 135. But we want to find out the probability of the selected student doesn't like Kabaddi. So number of students doesn't like Kabaddi. There are total 200 students and out of 200 students, 135 students like Kabaddi. So remaining doesn't like Kabaddi. So 200 minus 135. So here 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 3, 6 and 1 minus 1, 0. So 65 students doesn't like Kabaddi. Okay. Now to find out the probability, very first step we have to find out number of sample points. Okay. And here they clearly mention that the student is selected randomly from all the students. So total students are 200. So N of S is equal to 200. Let S be the sample space. Therefore, N of S is equal to 200. Okay. Now we will give the name for the event. Event A. Event is the selected student doesn't like Kabaddi. The student selected doesn't like Kabaddi. So how many students doesn't like Kabaddi? 65. 65 students doesn't like Kabaddi. Therefore, N of A is equal to 65. Followed. Now we have to find probability. Probability of event A is N of A divided by N of S. So 65 divided by 200. So both the numbers are divisible by 5. So divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20 and 0. 13 upon 40. Therefore, probability of event A is equal to 13 upon 40. And then we will write the answering statement. The probability that the student selected doesn't like Kabaddi is 13 upon 40. Okay. The probability that the student selected doesn't like kabaddi, is 13/40. This is the answer. 50. A two-digit number is to be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repetition of the digit is allowed. Find the probability that the number so formed is a first prime number, second multiple of 4 and third multiple of 11. Okay. So first we have to write sample space. Let S be the sample space. Therefore, S is equal to, now we have to find out two-digit number from these digits, and the repetition of the digit is allowed here. Okay. So first number we will find 10. Okay. Next number is 11 because the repetition is allowed here. So we can find 11. Next number 12. Next 13. And the next number is 14. By taking digit 1 first, we form these numbers. Okay. Now we will keep the first digit 2. So we will get 20. Then 21, then 22, 23 and 24. Understood how to create two-digit numbers? Now we will keep the first digit 3. So we will get the first number 30, then 31, 32, 33 and 34. Okay. Now we will keep first digit 4. So we will get 40, 41, 42, 43 and 44. Close the bracket. Therefore, n of S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So n of S is equal to 20. Followed? Now we will write the event, first event. Event A. That the number so formed is a prime number. The number so formed is a prime number. Therefore, A is equal to, now which is the first prime number? 11. Now I hope you knows the prime number. Prime number means the number which is having only two factors, 1 and that number itself. Okay. Or it is not divisible by any other number other than that number only. So first prime number is 11. Next prime number is 13. Next prime number is 23. Next 31. Then 41. Then 43. Follow? 11, 13, 23, 31, 41 and 43. Therefore, n of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So therefore, probability of event A. Now I hope you learned the formula. Probability of event A is equal to n of A upon n of S. N of A is 6, n of S is 20. 6 and 20 both are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. Therefore, probability of event A is equal to 3 upon 10. Okay? Now second event. Event B. The number so formed is multiple of 4. The number so formed is multiple of 4. Therefore, B is equal to, now which numbers are multiple of 4? We have to revise the table of 4. First number is 12. Next, 20. Next number is 24. Next, 32. Next is 40. And the next number is 44. And close the bracket. Therefore, n of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understood? Therefore, probability of event B is equal to n of B upon n of S. N of B is 6 and n of S is 20. So same like this. We divide by 2. We will get 3 upon 10. Therefore, probability of event B is equal to 3 upon 10. Okay? Then the last event. Event C. The number so formed is multiple of 11. Multiple of 11. Therefore, C is equal to, now among these numbers which are the multiple of 11? First is 11, then 22, then 33 and then 44. 11, 22, 33 and 44. Therefore, n of C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, probability of event C is equal to n of C upon n of S. 4 upon 20. So both are divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. And therefore, probability of event C is 1 upon 5. Followed how we solve this sum, and then finally you have to write the answers in statement. Probability of the number so formed is a prime number is 3 upon 10. Second answer, probability of the number so formed is multiple of 4 is 3 upon 10. And last one is probability of the number so formed is multiple of 11 is 1 upon 5. Question number 16. The faces of a die bear numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the die is rolled twice, then find the probability that the product of digits on the upper faces is 0. Okay. Now, let S be the sample space. Student, we solved this type of example in practice set also. The die rolled 2 times or 2 dice rolled simultaneously. For both, the sample space is same. But in that example, the faces of die bears number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here the numbers start from 0. So in that example, when 2 dice rolled, our first result is 1, 1. Because the number starts from 1. So both the die contain one number on upper face. But here the first number is 0. So our sample space first result will start from 0, 0. Both the dice or upper faces shows 0. Then next one will be 0, 1. Same technique we have to follow here, only instead of 1 we have to start from 0. Then 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4 and 0, 5. The last number is 5. So here the first line ends with 0, 5. Now upper face of first die shows the result 1. So we will start from 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. Now upper face of the first die shows result 2. 2, 0, 2, 2, 2, 1, then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Then we will start from 3. 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4 and 3, 5. Now we will start from 4. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4 and 4, 5. Now last one is 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4 and 5, 5. Close the bracket. Same way the number of sample space we will get 36. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 6 are 36. Now we will assume the event. Event A. So the name of the event is C. Find the probability that the product of digits on the upper faces is 0. So the event we will explain as the product of digits on the upper faces is 0. Therefore A is equal to, now first result 0, 0. So 0 into 0, 0. So we will take this result 0, 0. Now students, you can understand that if one of the result is 0, then the product of these two digits is 0, because 0 multiplied by any number 0. So we will take all these results in which 0 is there. Okay. So this we will take 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. First line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this also will come, because here also one of the result is 0. So 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 5 into 0, 0. So this also we will take. 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0 and 5 0. Followed? If one of the result is 0, then the product is 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore, n of A is equal to 11. Therefore, probability of event A is equal to n of A upon n of S. 11 upon 36. Therefore, probability of event A is equal to 11 upon 36. Then we will write the answer in statement. Therefore, see, the probability that the product of digits on the upper faces is 0 is 11 upon 36. Therefore, the probability of the product of digits on the upper faces is 0. On the upper faces is 0 is 11 upon 36.